All right, it is Sunday. It is August 22nd. Putting out a lot of videos on some stocks, where they've been, where they're going. See if we can find some buy sell levels. Let's take a look at, I move this, ZNGA to start. Zynga Incorporated. All right, let's take a look at it. So, looking back here, this has been on a run since 2019. This was at $4. Look at this. Went to $6. Went to 10. Came all the way back to, it looks like this line here. This 8 line's pretty big. Went a little bit below. And then bounced all the way to 12 plus. Chopped around back and forth. Then it dropped recently. That's what we're at now. It had a gap down from 10. Went to 8. And then, it started to get above this gap here, bottom of this gap. Nice little run here to 849. So, this isn't a mover. It's going to move like $5, $10 in a day. It can put it back in December. It did put in a nice run for a month. So we'll see what happens here. The weekly, this support line looks pretty good. This 8 just below. You can see here, touch, almost 3 times. And then, excuse me, 850 to 12. Then a big bearish candle here. That was the gap down. Now we're at 1207 stochastics, oversold. Looks like it wants to cross soon. See this? You're going sideways. You have 2 green candles, very bullish. And the monthly doesn't look as good. The monthly, you have actually a peak in 2019, 2020, slightly lower as it was still going up. And now you have divergence. Divergence is when indicators going one way and the stock's going the other way. So this was going up, but it looked like it was peaking back 2019-20. So, you can draw a line right here. See this? We're going down very slightly. Now we're going down even more. You're at 44.72, which tells me, it looks like there's more room to the downside on this. So we're going to go all the way to 20. It's possible. Short term now, we're not playing that long term, but I would look right here. If you can get above this 858.13 EMA, 13 exponential moving average, then you have the 20 is 888. You might come in between here. And if this gets knocked down right here, then it might go way back down. It might retest it. So, look for these areas near 9 if we can get in between. That would be my first target, this 9 area. And then if that gets through, then you might keep going up. But I'm not positive that right now. And your stop's going to be 8, maybe a little below, maybe this 779 level. So I would watch that. And that's where we are right now. So this doesn't move big moves, like I said. It's not going to move $3, $4. It's grinding up 8 to like 50-cent move. And we'll see on that one though. All right. CPNG. Coupang Incorporated. This is another newer IPO in March. This was as high as 69, came down, tried to bounce, came down. This found a low right here of 30.65. Made a nice little run here to near 46, and then we came back again. Now, what this looks like here is double bottom. You have right here 30.65. You have right here 30.71. So very close to a double bottom. And, very oversold, 307 on stochastics. The weekly still trending down now. Look at this. You have red over white stochastics. It's bearish. You're still going down. So is this going to hold? I had my doubts. Now this looks like it's going way further down. The monthly, not much formed yet because it's a newer stock. So, I don't think this is holding here. Could we get a bounce here? Maybe. To me, it looks like longer term we're still going down. So even if we bounce, I would look towards 34-ish, 36. This area could bounce up to here and then continue back down. I've seen that before. We'll see if this puts in a real big candle here, then I would definitely think this bounces to there. So it'll be my targets, like 34, 36. And then the lows right here, 1, 2. This has to hold or you're going lower. If it goes lower, you don't want to jump in. It can continue lower at that point. So that's it on these two. ZNGA, nice little bottom move from the gap above, and CPNG is this in a downtrend. This will be all dependent. See what happens next week on these. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Mike Kim and Trade alerts on YouTube, Twitter, Mike J Trades, Instagram, Mike J Trades, TikTok, Mike Kim and Trades. Stop Twits, Mike Kim and alerts. Peace.